Got some goodies from Amazon today. Never cut towards yourself, that's what they say. Alright. AFEpower.com. Stop. If seal is broken. It is not. Oh yeah. What do we have here? 7510 192 Magnum Force AIS Ford diesel trucks 99 through 03 with a carb certification EO number. Yes. Cannot tell you how excited I am for this. More toys for the cat. Alright, little battery box. Pad. Intake pipe. Not too bad. About 5 inches on one side. 4 on the other. Huge filter. You bet I'm opening that. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good size. Pro Guard 7 factory pre-oiled. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Yep, that'll be plenty of air. I'm not gonna open that. That's a seal for the heat shield. Rubber boot. Battery hold down, I would imagine. Whew. That's heavy. It's a solid 10-15 pounds, I'd say. Battery box, heat shield. Some clamps, sticker, instructions, empty box for the cat, inspected by somebody on 9/16/19. Nice. There it is. Big box. Decent parts. Heck yeah.